Alrighty, Casey Camera Boy here, working on a First Amendment audit. We're gonna hit this business here. Let's see what happens.
Can we help you?
Ooh,
Excuse me. I know you can hear me. Can we help you?
PornStache there.
I mean, it's kind of obvious what we're doing.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't. This is private property.
Okay. I'm not on your property though.
So are you just filming us for the sake of it?
Filming, practicing my First Amendment right. Yeah.
Thank you.
What is this for?
You just go back inside. I would appreciate it.
I mean, I would appreciate it if you're not just recording our place of business.
You're ruining our shot, and we didn't brought the
I'm
dumb
aware
angle.
of what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I want to have a regular conversation.
And who are you?
My name is. What's your name?
But what's your position here? Are you like the owner?
I don't have to tell you anything about what I do or what my business
I don't
is.
have
And
to
he wants
tell
to
you
know
about
what we're
anything
doing.
that I'm doing or what my
What the
business
hell?
is.
So he come off rude, and then he wants answers. How does that work?
Negative.
Great. So
Wow.
what happens then if I call the cops, say you're recording our business, you're not answering any questions, you're not telling me what you're doing?
How about you do that and we'll see what happens.
Would that be necessary?
I don't want to do that. I would just like to know
Do it.
what you guys
Yeah.
are filming this.
I wouldn't want you to do that and go through that shame, man. Yeah. But can you like move to the side and talk to us from like back there so we can just film? Yeah.
See, we're both asking each other stuff, but we're not giving each other anything.
No, I'm telling you actually.
Man, I'm trying to bring it down from this confrontation to just figure out what's going
Well, I mean,
on
you
here.
came out pretty rude already, so
Well, yeah, because what happens when someone comes outside your house
I'm not
and
at
just
your
starts
house,
filming
man.
it. I'm giving you an example, man.
even if you
What?
were at my house, I mean, I know my rights, so it wouldn't bother me.
Rude, huh? Very hostile gentleman here. That's it. We're done. I don't know what to say, man. Well, I guess he's gonna take a picture of us or something, bro. I'm scared now. I mean, you can go back now and just leave us alone, and that's it. End of story, and we're just gonna take some shots.
We're working right now, man.
Thank
But
you.
I'm trying to work too.
Well,
Okay.
Yeah, you can go back inside, man.
I just want to know what this is for.
We're just out here filming, man.
We're not
That
holding-
doesn't answer my question. I understand that you're out here filming. I'm just curious what this is for.
I told you.
You didn't tell me.
I
You just
told you
said that
I'm
you're
out here
working.
practicing my First Amendment right.
Well, what else do
This is
you need?
America,
I
man.
mean,
You don't like America? Where we have
damn.
rights?
What else do you need? Walk of shame. Jeez. That's the walk of shame there. He's about to get it, bro. That was nuts. Oh my god. I don't even think they can do the closing of shame here, bro. Oh yeah, they can do the closing of shame. There he comes. He's gonna have a conversation now, I guess.
All right. Well, thank you.
Appreciate him. Thanks. Wow, here he comes.
Stay educated.
Don't do it. Delete me from the
reason
picture, my
I'm-
boy.
The reason I'm asking you guys this is people have come here before and tried to break into various
Oh my
establishments.
God.
So seeing you guys come out with cameras and scope it out makes me nervous.
Well, I mean,
that's why I was trying to
told
figure
you
that
Out in
out.
public.
I told you that I'm out here practicing.
There
my
they
First Amendment
comes.
I understand that that's what you're
Nikita.
doing. I'm trying to tell
That's
you
not
why I
Nikita
was
Dragoon.
concerned.
Looks
So
like it.
right. I get you. So,
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's gotta
thank
be
you.
fine.
Appreciate it.
call dispatch,
Are you
and
okay?
They let you know what I'm out here is perfectly legal.
Are you filming too?
No,
I don't know what you're.
it
She
doesn't, man.
gets his
You're
hair.
not giving me anything. I'm not giving you anything. I just took your picture because like I said, people have tried to rob.
That's
us before.
profiling, you know that, right?
It's not profiling. I'm
Then what
doing
is it?
literally the exact same thing that you're doing.
But you're a hypocrite though, because you
Why
call
are
the
you
cops
guys
on that.
filming?
They refuse to say anything.
I told him I'm out here practicing my First Amendment right.
Yeah, that doesn't tell you anything.
Why
But
are you
that's-
filming?
That's what I'm doing.
That's what
I'm
we're
out here
doing.
practicing my First Amendment right.
Practicing
Recording
our
everything.
First Amendment.
Yeah.
Is there a reason?
Freedom to record.
It's America.
America, pow pow.
Well,
I mean-
look, I told you why I was concerned. Doesn't seem to matter to you. I told you why I did my thing.
Well, it does matter for you to understand that what we're doing is actually legal. I mean, you
I'm
call
not
it.
saying what you're doing right now isn't illegal. I'm telling you why I was concerned.
Oh, okay.
Does that make sense?
Not really, but.
You guys really like this high horse.
I mean,
Cool press.
You're
press.
really,
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a great day.
son, come at you. I like your hair, by the way.
Come on, man.
It's very Antifa.
You're out here all aggressive with that.
Oh my god. Damn, walk of shame, bro. And the camera of shame low-key, because she was doing it low-key, though. He told them. Hey, we told him. We told him and he didn't listen. So it's not our fault. That's profiling. He's straight up profiling us, bro. Imagine something gets lost. Closing of shame. She's gonna do the jumping of shame. What are you gonna do? They're blocking the shame. They're gonna do that. They're gonna barricade themselves. They're gonna closing the shame. Oh, that's a magic gate, bro. That's it. We're done, bro. That's it. Wow. I can't believe it. Wow. They left that door open, though. Oh, my God. They did that due to doing. First Amendment, remember. Freedom to record. Just want to make sure. Did you learn something today, sir?
I'm so educated now. Thank you for your
All right. I should send you a bill.
That's what we love to hear.
Straight up, he admitted. He feels educated today. He's gonna go home and tell everybody that he feels educated too. Oh my God, we should send him a degree from us. Out of Church University. Jeez. Well, anyways, so they didn't come out anymore. The cops didn't show up. I think they got educated over the phone. So we're gonna leave it as is. He got educated. He took it as a champ, and that's it. No. And